you ready to unlock the secret to making your money work for you? Imagine turning $1 into $1,000 without lifting a finger. It's not a dream, it's the magic of compounding. Stick with me as we dive into how the power of compounding can change your financial future forever. Welcome to 50 Financial Freedom Before 2025, where we bring you the best tip to secure your wealth and achieve financial independence. In today's video, we will discuss the power of compounding, how to make your money work for you. We are going to break it down in a way that make it easy to understand, practical to implement, and most importantly profitable for you. But first, let me tell you a secret. The richest person in the world don't work for money, they make money work for them, and compounding is the key to that success. Now, what is compounding? Let's start with the basic. Compounding is when you earn interest not only on your initial investment but also on the interest that has already been earned. It's like planting a tree and then having that tree grow new tree over and over again. Albert Einstein famously called compounding the eighth wonder of the world. Section 2. Why compounding matters. The power of compounding lies in its ability to grow exponentially over time. Consider this. If you invested $1,000 at a 10% annual return, it would grow to $1,100. But in the second year, your investment would grow to $1,210 because the interest earned in the first year is now also earning interest over time. This growth accelerates. Warren Buffett, one of the richest men in the world, is a huge believer in compounding. His wealth did not come from picking a few good stocks. It came from letting his investment compound over time. As he says, my wealth has come from a combination of living in America, some lucky genes, and compound interest. Section 3. Historical example of compounding. Let's look at a historical example to understand just how powerful this can be. Benjamin Franklin, one of America's founding fathers, left an endowment of $1,000 each to the cities of Philadelphia and Boston. He invested this money at an interest rate that compound over 200 years. By the time the funds were used, they had grown to over $7 million. This is a prime example of how compounding can turn a small initial investment into small enormous over time. Section 4. The 3 keys to master compounding. Now that you understand the basic, let's dive into the 3 keys that can help you harness the power of compounding for your financial success. Start early. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow. Even small amount when compounding over decade can lead to massive wealth. Be consistent. Invest regularly. Consistency allows you to take advantage of power of compounding and avoid trying to time the market, which is a losing game. Reinvest earning. Don't take your profit out of your investment. Reinvest them to allow your wealth to grow even faster. This is one of the most powerful way to leverage compounding. Section 5. Actionable tip for compounding success. Invest in index fund. Index fund are low cost, diversified investment that track the market performance. They allow you to take full advantage of compounding without the risk of trying to pick individual stock. Increase your contribution over time. As your income grow, increase your investment contribution. This amplifies the compounding effect, helping you build wealth faster. Avoid debt. Compound can work against you when it comes to debt. High interest debt such as credit card balance, avoid it at all costs. If you are ready to start making your money work for you, don't wait. Being today and take action. Hit that subscribe button and join us on the journey toward financial freedom before 2025. Share this video with friends who need to hear about the power of compounding, and leave a comment below with your thought or any question you have. I am here to help you. Conclusion. Compounding is one of the most powerful financial tool available, and it's available to anyone willing to use it. Start early, be consistent, reinvest your earning, and you will see your wealth grow over time. Just like Warren Buffett and Benjamin Franklin, you can let compounding work its magic. The sooner you start, the sooner you will be on your way to financial freedom. Thanks for watching, and remember, the key to financial success is not how much you make, but how much you keep and how much you make that money work for you.